Hello dear students of class 6th. Very good morning to all of you. Here we are going to start chapter number 6, that is physical quantities and measurement 2. In the previous chapter, chapter number 2, we have learned about physical quantity and measurement 1, in which we have covered the physical quantities, that is length, mass and area. Length, mass and area we have covered in the second chapter. In the three quantity we have basically studied about its unit, about its definition, units, and how to measure and what should be the precaution taken during the measurement. Okay, basically we have to focus the precaution during measurement. Okay, in this third chapter, the first video, basically we have to study about the physical quantity, that is time and temperature. Time and temperature. What is time and what is temperature? How this temperature and time should be measured? Basically we have to focus the measurement of this physical quantity. The first question arises in our mind, that what is time? Basically I used to ask you, and we used that how much time you take to have your meal. Okay, how much time taken by you to be ready for your school. These are the events specifying by me. To do that event you need some slot of durations, that is called as time. Okay, we say that 1 hour it took to travel from home to school. Means there is a event, that is I am going to school and you are going to school, from home to school, and that event takes time, takes duration to happen. That duration is called as time. Okay, now we have also to understand what is temperature. Simply I say that this plate is hotter because its temperature is high. How you can guess that its temperature is high, and by how much its temperature is high? We measure it by some instrument that is called thermometer. Okay, so temperature shows the hotness and coolness of any body. Okay, and it is measured by an instrument called thermometer, and basically the rise and fall of the temperature define how much it contains heat. Okay, so just we are going to start our first topic. I have told you that these two physical quantities we have to measure. First I would like to define you what is physical quantity. As we have studied in chapter 1st and 2nd, that what is physical quantity? Any quantity, anything which can be measured is called as physical quantity, and which follows some laws of physics, that is called as physical quantity. For example, time, temperature, length, mass, area, these all are physical quantities. In the second chapter we have covered length, mass and area. Now we are going to cover time and temperature. Okay, so first question is that what is time? Time is defined as the interval between two events. There is a certain duration, certain times between the two events. That duration, that interval is called as time. For example, I am doing some work. Just I am moving from point A to point B. Just I am moving from point A to point B. It takes some time, it takes some duration. I have to move from A to B. That duration, that event from moving from A to B is an event, and the duration and the time taken to complete this gap, between this gap, that duration is called as time. Okay, as it defined as the interval between the two events. Okay, time is measured with the help of mean solar day. Basically, in different countries, in starting from the beats or different way, it is measured in different meanings. But in standard with the SI unit, we come to know that time is measured with the help of mean solar day. Okay, a question is with you: what do you mean by mean solar day? Mean solar day is the time taken by Earth to complete one rotation about its own axis. As we know that Earth rotates on its own axis, because Earth as it is, and it has an axis. On that axis, Earth rotates itself. Earth rotates itself on this axis. Okay, it always rotates like this, and it completes one revolution. For example, I am rotating this marker, this cap, as this is rotating. Okay, and it's complete one rotation on its own axis. That is called as mean solar day. Mean solar day is time taken by the Earth to complete one rotation about its own axis. Okay, it takes a duration to complete 24 hour 4 minutes of 4 seconds. Okay, now units of time. SI unit of time is second. The standard unit, SI unit, which is universal unit, we also say that in that SI unit of time is second. Okay, the bigger unit of time are minute, hour, day, month and year. As we know that 1 year passes. Now the 20 second will come. The gap of 2021 and 2022, the event 2021 and the event 2022, in these two events there is a gap of 1 year. Okay, so the bigger unit of time is year, the smaller. These years has been divided into 12 small events, that is called as month. This whole year, this is a bigger unit. Year is a bigger unit of time. This whole year is divided into 12 small event, that is called as month. Okay, these months is divided into 30 small event, that is called as day. Okay, 30 small event of a month is divided into 30 small event, that is called as day. A day is also divided into 24 small event, that is called as hour, and an hour is divided into 60 small events, that is called as minute, and a minute is also divided into 60 small seconds. 60 small event, that is called as second. Means that the smaller unit of time is second, and then minute, then hour, then day, and then month, and then year. Okay, now come to the point to just have a relation between these time units from smaller to bigger. Okay, first of all, we will learn the units and symbol. Units and symbol. For example, unit, symbol. Okay. For second, we use S. Okay. Second is the unit of time, while S is the symbol of second. Okay. Next, minute. Minute is simply denoted by min, min. Okay. Next is hour. Hour is denoted by h. Okay. These are the simple symbol you have to be with your mind, that second is denoted by s, minute is denoted by min, hour is denoted by h. Okay. Now let us come to the relation between these units. Okay. First, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. 1 hour. You have to learn this. Okay. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That is equal to 60 into 60 second. I am writing it. You may write second as a SEC also. Okay. Or simply S also. If we multiply, it will become 3600 seconds. Okay. Next, 1 mean solar day. 1 mean solar day. 1 mean solar day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, that is equal to 24 into 3600 second. That is equal to, may write as second also, that is equal to 86,400 second. Okay, you may write as second as simply S, or you may write as this second like this also. 1 year. One year is equal to 365 mix 1/4. Okay, days. This is also converted into second like this. 1461 upon 4 into 86,400, that is equal to 31557600 second. Okay, I have converted a year into second, a mean solar day means a day into second, and an hour into second, and a minute into second. It is so simple that to remember 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, and one day, that is one mean solar day is equal to 86,400 seconds, and 1 year is equal to that much second. Okay, so please learn it. Okay, have a nice day.